Tonight, concerns over what the next major hurricane could bring as a U.S. Senate panel is probing the state's top property insurer. Our Aaron Persijan talked with the lawmaker heading up the investigation into Citizens and why he fears taxpayers could be on the hook.
Can citizens withstand a serious climate hit?
Rhode Island Senator Sheldon Whitehouse, chairman of the U.S. Senate Budget Committee, questioning that in this letter sent to Florida leaders and top brass of Citizens Property Insurance, requesting documents as part of an investigation into whether the state-backed insurer could afford to cover massive storm-related claims in a city like Miami or Tampa.
What we want to do is judge the scale of the risk and the likelihood that it can be contained within Florida and not spill over to other states or to a big ask to the federal government for a bailout or propagate that coastal property values meltdown.
Citizens is just one of many insurers being questioned. In a statement, they say they're structured to always be able to pay claims. And if they were to pay out all reserves following a series of disasters, state law allows them to levy surcharges on its policyholders and potentially all insurance consumers in the states.
Whether you're a homeowner, a condo owner, a renter, even a driver with auto insurance, you could see multi-year surcharges to help replenish the funds of citizens.
Which is among the main concerns for Whitehouse.
Is actually not feasible. It's thousands of dollars, even tens of thousands of dollars, and people just can't and won't pay that.
Because of the potential for a hurricane tax, Citizens, with more than 1.2 million policyholders, has been working to lower that number and the risk exposure. This year, more than 220,000 policies have been removed.
They need to get it back to the 400,000 to 500,000 policy total range. Until they get there, we are in a position of a potential hurricane tax surcharge.
Aaron Persijan, 10 Tampa Bay.
The company has said their artificially lower rates are why their risk of exposure has grown. Citizens policyholders will see an uptick later this month, but on average, they will be 30% less than what people in the private market could see.